Hey guys, how's it going? This will be an unboxing video. I got this in the mail today. It's from Josh Robinson. You people probably mostly know him, but yeah, let's open it up. And I got one black Arcane, and then a white Arcane, and I think there's another one here, and there's this thing. Probably is a card, but let's open it up. Yeah, he told me there's gonna be a surprise in this package. What's this? And Vortex cards. There you go. I got 4 Vortex cards and a thank you card. I got Joker, Jack, 8, and a 5. Awesome. And there you go. Thanks, Josh, for the Arcanes and the cards. Your package came pretty fast, so yeah. Awesome. Thank you.